Alright, so I'm going to be demonstrating the functionality of my Battleship game that I made for kids. So you can kind of see it. I know the video quality is not great. Try and get to focus here. That I've got each row labeled A through E and each column labeled 1 through 8. Now this is an RGB LED matrix that I have hooked up to an Arduino Uno and attached a switch keyboard. Now you'll notice that I also replaced the number sign with an E because I had 5 rows and I needed 5 letters. I've made the corresponding changes in the Arduino code so that it says E and not the pound sign. Okay, so the first trial that we're going to do is I'm going to show you the win condition, so to simulate 2 kids playing a game and the second kid wins. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to program a board, like a board of ships. So my first ship is going to be, just going to put them on the board here. A2, so you'll notice the light turns green, asks for a confirmation, I confirm it, and it's going to put a ship there. So B2, let's put a ship there, C2, ooh, that's not where I meant to put it. Okay, so I'm going to push something else, because I don't want that to be a ship. So C2, that's a ship, D2, that's a ship space. So my board's programmed for you to have 12 ship spaces, so that's enough for a 4, a 3, a 3, and a 2. So that's my 4. Let's put a 3 down on D6, D7, and D8. And let's go with B4, B5, and B6. Okay, so that's my 2 3-space ships, and now I need a 2-space ship, probably on D4 and E4. Okay, so this is going to be the last ship that I put down. So it's going, I'm going to hit confirm. It's going to blink to show me those are my final ship spaces. And it's going to go to blue. Okay, at this point, Kid 1 would hand the board to Kid 2, and Kid 2 would guess some ship locations. So I'm going to like arbitrarily guess here. C4, B2, ooh, B2's a hit. Okay, A2, so probably C2. Now this code doesn't have a way, like a normal Battleship game, of saying, oh, you sunk an entire ship. So the kid at this point doesn't know if he sunk the 3 ship, or maybe he still got the 4. So he would probably guess D2. Look, that's the 4 ship. If the kid recognizes that it's the 4 ship, he'd probably move on. Okay, so let's go E7, D8. Ooh, D8 was a hit. Okay, so C8, that's a miss. So going sideways then, D7, that's a hit. D6, that's a hit. Now the kid already sunk the 4 ship, so he would probably stop guessing that one. So we'd probably guess something else. A8, that's a miss. B7, that's a miss. A6, that's a miss. So doing the whole normal Battleship strategy of guessing every other one. Mix it up a little bit. E5, that's a miss. A4, that's a miss. B3, that's a miss. B5, that's a hit. So C5, that's a miss. B4, that's a hit. Go ahead and guess B6, so that's the other 3 ship. And D4, and I think the other one was E4 was our last ship. Okay, so this could be the last ship that's going to be sunk. And this kid will have guessed all of our ship locations. Oh, look, a little pretty color scheme of like, you win, everything worked. Congratulations. Woo. Okay, the screen's going to go black for 5 seconds. That's going to indicate the end of the game. And when it comes back on, it's ready to start the next game. So this time we're going to purposefully lose to show that that also works. Okay, so we're going to put the ships in like a really obvious location because, well, I want to purposefully lose. So B1, C1, D1, that's going to be our 4, A2, B2, C2, that's going to be one of our 3s, C2, wow, we're going to get C2, go us. A3, B3, and C3, and then D1, man, messed it up twice, hang on. Our next one's A4, that's how that works. A4 and B4. Okay, so that's all 4 of our ships. Just all up there in the top right, left-hand corner. Okay, so now we're trying to lose, right? So E8, E7, and we're going to guess as many of these as possible. So this code is implemented to give you 25 chances to hit all 4 ships. Oh, that was a hit. Okay, we should. There we go. C7, C6, C5, C3, C2, C1, B8. Ooh, look, we lost. So that was my 25th chance. It blinks red to indicate that I lost. It's gonna go back to that turning off for 5 seconds, and it's gonna reset the board and start over. So that was both the win condition and the lose condition of this Battleship game. So we've proven that it does function as a game that kids could, use as on road trips to keep them entertained in the back seat. So thank you for watching.